Let's talk about nails. It's something that's easily overlooked, but very, very important for the construction of a wood fence. Okay, double hot dip galvanized. Highly recommend that double hot dip galvanized nail. That's going to last a long time and fight against the deterioration and corrosion of the nail. Ring shank. That's another important feature. So ring shank. It's got ridges basically all up and down that nail. So double hot dip galvanized ring shank. And then what we provide is that this has a coating on it, this blue coating. It's like a glue, basically, as it gets shot into the wood, it heats up and helps the adhesion of the nail. It also protects the galvanized coating because that's as that nail drives in there, you want to make sure that the coating doesn't get destroyed from the nail. So we got double hot dip galvanized plus the coating to protect it as well, which acts almost as a glue as it goes in, and it's blue, so that means it's even stronger, right? Now, same thing with a 3-inch nail. So this is a 1 3/4 nail for your pickets, and then we have a 3-inch nail for your framing. Double hot dip galvanized, ring shank, and again that same coating on that nail to help performance of the nail. So, MrFitzTools.com, we got the nails for you.